model, 2006 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti 100 long wheelbase, silver long wheelbase, no VAT, easy repair. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 129083. MOT, the 24th of April 2025. Engine, 1870 cc 1.9 Cdti. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van was en route back to yard and the NSF wheel came off. Van will need lower arm, ball joint, brake line to ABS pump, from caliper, discs and pads. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, wind-up windows, silver, long wheelbase. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,